The next time you rent a car, you're likely going to get the same question as the last time, and that's, do you want to buy insurance? You might think your credit card or car insurance covers you, but that's not always the case. Consumer Reports can help you decide if spending up to $50 more per day is good for your money.
Sean Beasley spends a lot of time on the road.
I rent a car probably about 20 times a year.
As for insurance for all those rentals, he says he's covered.
I don't get insurance because my vehicle insurer, automatically offers us rental car insurance.
He says he pays his insurance a monthly fee for the rental coverage included with this policy.
Both auto insurance and credit cards can have pretty significant limitations when it comes to car rentals. And that can include what kind of cars they'll cover, for how long, and even in what countries.
Rental car insurance can be expensive, sometimes an extra $50 per day. So when does adding it to the rental make sense?
If you only have liability insurance on your own car, you'll need to get a separate policy for the car rental in case there's damage to it in the event of a crash.
Here are some guidelines to help you decide if extra coverage is right for you. First, ask yourself, is the rental car fancier than your car? Some credit card rental insurance and personal auto policies won't cover certain car types or classes, like large sport utility vehicles or luxury cars. Also, are you renting in a foreign country? Allstate, Geico, Farmers, State Farm, and Progressive say that your auto insurance coverage extends only to car rentals in the U.S. and Canada. The same goes for rental insurance offered by most credit card companies. Finally, if you're renting an RV, a cargo van, or a moving truck, these vehicles are usually not covered under standard auto or credit card insurance policies. And if you decide to add extra insurance, consider adding up to 3 types: collision damage waiver, which covers damage to the car in case of a wreck; loss damage waiver, which protects you from theft and damage to the car; and liability coverage covers you if you're found legally responsible for property damage or for injuring someone while driving the rental. Keep in mind, terms might be slightly different depending on the rental car agency.
So there's a lot that goes into it, clearly, but if you are renting a car for work, then you should check with your employer to see what's covered and what's not, especially since your personal insurance and credit cards likely won't provide any coverage for these types of rentals.